Hi, the table shows the coordinates of 3 points on a straight line. Determine the equation of the line. The equation of a line has this form: y is equal to mx and c. M is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. And x and y are coordinates, and we have 3 pairs of coordinates here. So we'll use these coordinates in this table to find the different unknowns: m, the gradient, and c, the y-intercept. We'll start with this. So we have y is equal to 6. We don't know what m is, but we know for y equal to 6, m is 4. So we have 4m, and we do not know what c is. But if you note, we have 2 unknowns, m and c, and that implies that we should have 2 equations if we want to solve 2 unknowns. Simultaneous equations will suffice. Next we have minus 2. We use this column here, and it's equal to minus 4m, because x is minus 4, and c. Now we can solve this because we have 2 simultaneous equations, 1 and 2. If we add both of these equations, we can eliminate m, find c, and later on substitute to find m, the gradient. So adding this will give us 4, and this is equal to 2c. So c is equal to 2. So now we have our equation where we know what the y-intercept is. So we can substitute. Let's substitute in equation 1 the value c, and that will be written now as 6 is equal to 4m add 2, and that gives us that 4m is equal to 4, so m is equal to 1. And hence, finally, we can write down our equation. We have y is m is 1, mx, and c is 2, which we can write as x add 2. So the equation of the line is x add 2, and we can check this. If we look at the value x equal to minus 4 add 2 will give us minus 2, 0 add 2 will give us 2, and 4 add 2 will give us 6, and that validates our answer: y is equal to x add 2. I'd like to make an observation about gradients. If a gradient is positive, then it makes an acute angle with the x-axis. So just a little sketch here. We have x, we have y. If it's positive, this angle here will always be acute. So a gradient of m being positive means the gradient is positive, and will make an acute angle with the x-axis. What about when the gradient is negative? We have x, y here. If it's negative, it will be going through, we're assuming it goes through the origin, and this will be the angle here. In this case, we have a gradient that is negative, which implies that m, the gradient m, is negative, and we have an obtuse angle. So for positive gradients we have an acute angle, and for negative gradients we have an obtuse angle. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Alistair. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.